Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Artist Loft. It's some medium black paint, which I'm going to use discriminatingly. So I'm going to just start in a willy-nilly fashion. Give myself some random marks of every description. And if I spread the black out enough, it'll probably dry. And I'm going to use some titanium white. And I'll probably use some iridescent pearl. But I've got other colors I pulled out, such as Aztec bronze, and that's sort of interesting to me, even though it didn't shake up very quickly. We'll use it anyway, because you never know what you're going to get. That requires me to pull out some of my golden iridescent gold, though. I'm still contemplating using a texture tool. This is the white pearl. Not trying to start anything profound, not yet anyway. And if I'm lucky enough to have some of this paint dry before I'm done with this stage, maybe I'll add more. This is the golden iridescent gold. It's almost time for some more. I do have DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold, which is available and on the menu, but I'm not sure how soon that's going to come into play. Depends on how I feel about what I've got. Just spreading paint for fun. I see someplace I want to put more paint. It's really not very important to me where this goes now, because if it's a stage 1, I'll be working on it tomorrow. I want lots of little splatters of gold, black is what I was thinking. But I think everything is game right now. I didn't grab any silver, but I could have. I think it's time to get out some of the DecoArt Americana 24 karat gold. Especially since I want to use the black. I wanted to do something with circles for a while now. guess I'll settle for curves. That's pretty cool. Definitely want to use some black. I pulled out my silicone rubber brushes expecting to use those. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that yet. I have a little leftover black paint. Trying to figure out where to put it. If I put it over the matte canvas, then it becomes a different texture. I like the black over the white. But that's probably part of the point of this anyway, that I like black and white. A little more Aztec bronze. I like that. I like the layered look. I just want to keep motivating in the right direction. I did wash a toothy tool, and it should be here. Yeah, I got it right here. My Wilton Cake decorating tool. Just following a whim. I'm hoping that they're not bad whims. A little more white pearl. I think I said deco art. One of these times I'm going to do a painting and then I'm just going to go back the next day and add black all over and smear it into place and see how I like it. I might do it now. It's time for a little more real white. This is titanium white, Vivid Intense. I don't know if I could even get any texture if I use a texture tool right now. But I suppose that's me asking for an opportunity to try it. I kind of like that black up there and I covered it, so I'm going to try the gold, and if I don't like that I'm going to put black back. Alright, I'm going to texture tool things just because I can. Make sure. Most things are drying, which could be an opportunity if I add a layer of wet. God, I love adding those lines. I've got nice paint on my spatula. I want it to go somewhere. Give it a good home. Looks very paisley to me right now. Actually looks like I'm composing something. I'll give myself till my timer goes off. Hopefully I set it today. Yesterday I forgot. I might want to call this ready to be done. I forgot about my brush. I kind of want to put some paint down and dip into it like I have been recently. I think it might be time to put my spatula in the bucket. Not sure. Maybe I'm not ready. Now the only thing I'm thinking is I might want to add dots. For that, I need a different tool. And a Q-tip with a nice rounded end on it, hopefully. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linktree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.